My name is Shorjing. I'm a chief data scientist with YarcData. My background is in applied math, statistics, and economics. Prior to YarcData, I was economics faculty at American University, and I was a data consultant for several government agencies involved with counterinsurgency and cybersecurity type projects. In these environments, we dealt with many types of big data. We looked for cross correlations across disparate data sets. One of the most interesting projects that we came across was looking at this example of money laundering. So here it wasn't about building a big prediction system, but rather the most interesting characteristic was not the local attributes that each of the prospective drug dealers had. It was actually their connections with one another. And in this, the framework or the proper lens to view this under is in a graph. And graphs are great for this type of thing because it allows you to see the structure of the underlying data quickly. You can quickly see patterns that arise. You can see patterns that are slightly different. And even from a more macro view, you can see longer paths. You can see sources and sinks in the data. And you can sort of see where illicit funds might be moving internationally across country to country. So this is my first exposure to graphs, and I realized that graphs were everywhere. In the government space, we had lots of communications data. We had the proliferation of social media data from Facebook and LinkedIn. And this data can be used to augment traditional models as well. For example, recommender systems have become very popular with Amazon and Netflix. And now we have this social data to help augment that. But you also tend to buy things or watch things that your friends bought or your friends' friends bought because you're influenced by that network. So that's where Eureka comes in. Eureka is a purpose-built graph appliance. You have large in-shared memory. There's lots of processors per CPU. And this is great for solving these type of challenging problems.